What are the best roof shingles for insurance rates? Hey there, it's Tia at Trailstone, and we see this question a lot when people are replacing their roofs. So I wanted to talk through some of the options for your new roof that may help you receive a better insurance rate. The best roof shingles depend on your specific needs, budget, building codes, and regional climate. But before I go through the roof options, I want to give you an insurance savings score with each type of roof. On a scale of 1 to 10, 10 being the best, here are 7 common roof types with their insurance savings score. Number 1, asphalt shingles are common and affordable. They come in various styles and colors and are suitable for most climates. If you have the option, make sure to upgrade to Class 4 impact resistance asphalt shingles. We give this one an insurance savings score of 4. Number 2, metal roofing. These roofs are durable, energy efficient, and resistant to fire, suitable for various climates as well. Metal roofing is available in many options such as copper, zinc, and steel. Metal roofs are typically more expensive, but you can expect the roof to perform well for at least 25 years or more. This one gets an insurance savings score of 8. Number 3, similar to metal roofing is stone-coated steel. This is steel coated with a stone resin to protect the steel and give it the appearance of traditional shingles. Stone coat steel is typically more expensive than asphalt shingles and similar in lifespan to concrete tiles, but stone coat steel weighs less than concrete and is many times a better upgrade choice from asphalt shingles. The insurance savings score on this one is a 9. We really like this one. Number 4, wood shingles and shakes. They provide a natural look and were the standard for roofs in many areas of the United States until about the early 2000s. In the last 10 years, wood shake roofs have become very difficult to insure due to fire risks. This one gets an insurance savings score of 1. We highly advise against this option. And number 5, let's talk about slate shingles. They are extremely durable and aesthetically pleasing, but heavier and more expensive. Slate will typically last 100 years, but the underlayment can be an issue if not installed properly. Also, because slate is expensive, it may receive a surcharge with some insurance carriers. This one gets an insurance savings score of 6. Number 6, concrete tile roofs. Offers a unique and elegant appearance, but can be heavy and may require reinforced roofing structures. Similar to slate in lifespan and have the same underlayment concerns, we're giving this one an insurance savings score of 8. On to number 7, synthetic shingles. Typically made of a rubber or resin composite, these resemble other materials but are more affordable and durable, yet are still more expensive than Class 4 asphalt shingles. Unfortunately, many insurance companies are not underwriting these shingles favorably yet, so we give this one an insurance savings score of 7. Number 8, solar roof tiles. This is a newer choice in 2022, and for me personally, this is an exciting option. Solar tiles look great, and they can also help save money on the electricity bill. The jury is still out on the insurance savings score, but we are anxiously awaiting insurance companies to endorse this. Look out for more videos with insurance savings scores so you can continue to shop savvy. If you have questions about your roof or how it affects your insurance, please reach out to our team of home insurance experts. We can provide more in-depth answers to your specific questions. Talk soon.